Hi everyone, welcome to another Science at Home. Today we're going to be making slime! So today we're going to be making two different kinds of slime. One with cornstarch and one with baking soda, saline solution, and white glue. So the first type of slime that we're going to be making is called Oobleck. And this is where you can play with the levels of cornstarch and water to get the right consistency. And you can also dye it a different color. You can either use food coloring or we're going to use some Jello powder today. So first I'm going to pour in the cornstarch. It doesn't really matter how much you pour in as long as you get the right consistency with water. Next I will pour in my water and I will begin mixing. This part might get messy, but that's part of the fun. This is called a non-Newtonian liquid, so it can act like a solid or a liquid. It's really hard. You can see it's acting like a solid. But when I pick it up and slowly let it ooze out of my hands, it looks a lot more like a liquid. For our second slime, this is called gack, and you will need about half a cup of white glue, a pinch of baking soda, and about a tablespoon of saline. So I will now start pouring the ingredients. So at this point, you can play around with the amount of ingredients that you're using. If it's a little bit sticky, add more saline solution, but it's important to keep mixing. So now that you made both of your slimes, you can now experiment and add more ingredients to change the consistency or the color. Like for your gack, you can try adding shaving cream or glitter. And for your oobleck, you can maybe change the color, either using food coloring or even Jello powder. So now that you made two types of slime, you can play around with each. And remember, this is an experiment, so it's totally okay to get messy. So I hope you enjoyed making your slime.